one screen to another screen. Yeah. Okay.
This is a HDMI to VGA adapter. Its purpose is mostly used on our laptop, meaning that our laptop already has its screen. In our laptop, we need to have one more monitor. We can use this. This HDMI side is plugged into our laptop's HDMI port there, and then this side connects to our VGA cable. If it is certain that your monitor is also VGA, and then you connect this cable directly to that VGA monitor, just like that. Now your laptop from your screen there you can see the data you are seeing, the movie you are watching, or on the other side. Now there is one more monitor, because we have used this adapter. So we can also see another screen on the other side. At that time, your screen can also simultaneously play synchronously, meaning what you see on the laptop screen there can also see the exact same thing on the other side, called duplicate. If you use that extend, it means on this side. What you see Excel, you want to pull it to that side to see also can. You can go back and forth between two, compare. Using this is very useful. Suppose your computer needs one more monitor, and that monitor is used for a VGA monitor. You can use this kind of HDMI, and then this side connects out to our VGA monitor only. If there are any questions, you can ask directly in the comments section. Okay, bye-bye.